Welcome to the first tutorial of Microsoft Excel. So what you do, you just come here and you type the word Excel. So after that, you click enter or you double click it. So once you are here, it will bring you to this page. So this is the page. And in this page, there are a lot of things. We have home. We also have new. We have open. We have account, feedback, and option. So home, we are already in home section by default. And in home, there are a lot of things. There's blank workbook. Here, you start things from scratch. So also here we have welcome to Excel. If you want to take a tour, so you can really utilize this. So here these are tutorial about formulas. So this is some of the tutorial about Power Query, about pivot table and beyond pie chart tutorial. So you just click it like this and you click new. Okay, so it will bring you here. So if you want to take a tour, let's go and then follow everything here. Okay, so of which we are not going to dwell much on that. So we are back here. So here you also have templates. Okay, what is template? So template, it is something that you reuse it. So in the future, we will be able to create our own templates and we can reuse them uh, day in, day out. So there are some templates about business, personal, planner and tracker, list, budget, chart, calendars, and so on and so forth. So make sure for you to access this, you are connected to internet. As here, I'm connected to the internet. So this is home. So this is new. Like if you want to come and click new workbook, so you can come here. So open if you have maybe existing workbook and you want to open it, you can click open and then you can really use this. Either you browse it within your folders, like for example, I have this one in the desktop, so I can just go there and I grab it. Okay, so that is that. So account, this is where you will have a lot of details about the Microsoft Office product. So like this product, it is activated, and since it is activated, so you have access to what? You have access to Excel, PowerPoint, Outlook, Team, access, so on and so forth. So that is that. So let's come here. These are office background. So you can change them here. Look at this part here. Yeah, you see, look at that part they're changing. So if you change it to the stars, so everything will now move to this, to the stars. If you change it to circuit, so upon you. So now let's move to the office theme. Office theme by default, it will always come with colorful, but you can always change it to dark gray. Okay, like this is a little bit better. So, or you can change it to black. For me, I like black when it is night hours. Or if you want white, of which no one will really like it, so you can always go back and change it to colorful. I prefer colorful. So but you can see which one will suit you better, and then you'll be able to utilize it. Down here we have the feedback section. In this feedback section, if you like something about this product, you can give them a suggestion here. Like you click this and you'll be able to give them a suggestion. If you don't like anything, also they are open to, for that feedback, kind of feedback. Or if you have suggestion, you can just give them a suggestion. A lot of Microsoft Office product, most of them came as a result of suggestion from good people, the like of you is watching this video. So you can just have time and suggest anything, and then they will be able to implement it. Lastly, this is option, and option here, it is generally setting. So you have a lot of settings here. You need to really work on them. Here you can always come here and you play around. If you want to maybe add some tabs, you can always come here and you add it. We will have ample time later uh, in the course to discuss more about this option section. So let's go back and I still show you some of the cool thing. So here, let's don't mind this. So we will go through them one by one. So here we have the recent documents. So these are the documents that we have recently visited. So we have testing, we have budget, and you can always pin anything that you want, something that is valuable. And once you pin it, so it will come here in this pin section. So if you don't want to pin it, you can also unpin it. Okay. So anything that you pin, it will automatically go up. So let's try this. Let's pin this school. Have you seen school dataset? It is now up. And when you come to the pins, it is also here. You can also unpin things from here. So that is it. So this is the general overview of Microsoft Excel, the first tutorial. Tomorrow I will walk you through the blank workbook and we see what do we have. Thank you. Have a blessed time.